so that you will not be sleepy. Say if you are all active, I'll get you ice cream, chocolates and all. Okay. The session is divided into 5 types. Okay, the session will be divided into 5 types, having 5 questions each. Okay. The first one is odd man out. The first chapter in this, take down your book and write it, odd man out. The second chapter, figure matching. Take down figure matching. Third one, pattern completion. I hope you all are note downing. I request all the parents to whether check your child is note downing or not. Okay. The first chapter is figure series completion. Next one, analogy. Okay. I taught this analogy in previous session. Do you remember? Yes or no? Do you remember this analogy? Okay, I'll give you the one question you should answer. Let me see who will answer first. What is an analogy? For example, Bangalore is to Karnataka. What about Madhya Pradesh? Can you answer? Can you tell the analogy for this? Bhopal, very good. Samarth, you are so fast, man. Very good. This and all I taught you. Like, so this is a syllabus discussion. Once you come to the class, we'll go description. Okay. I can't hear you. Why so? Oh, analogy. The next one is geometrical figure completion. What is this geometrical figure completion? You have learned geometrical figures. What are they? Can you answer? What are the geometrical figures? What is this? Completing of figures. Okay. Shapes. Very good. I said, what is the geometrical figures? Do you know what are the figures? That to geometrical figures. Or you all feel sleepy? Yeah, yes, Karna, shape. Circle. Is it circle is a geometrical figure? Then what is the answer, Samarth? Okay. See, geometrical figures means you will be containing that pentagon, hectagon, yeah, triangle, yeah, that and all will come under geometrical figures. Okay, the next one is mirror images. What is this mirror image? You all familiar with your selfies, right? What is that mirror image? I hope you all took mirror selfie, isn't it? See, what is this mirror image? Always you are getting opposite to that. Yes, Vishnu. Obviously, you will take this. See, mirror image. If you take the selfie, always it opposite to it, right? That and all comes under mirror image. See, after this class, go and stand in front of mirror. Okay, raise right hand, but it will say as left hand. Okay, that is a conversion. It looks opposite to. Okay. Why, Sriram? Why you wanna talk? Please text me in the chat section. Yeah, you are not able to get the chat. Chat with me only. No. They will give the image. You have to find out mirror image of that. You should not draw anything. See, they will be given with question. You need to find out the answer for that. You need not to draw or you need not to write any answer for this. Okay. The next one is punch hole pattern. What is this punch hole pattern? I'll tell you. The punch hole pattern means you have to do it in the paper itself. You have to fold the paper and see what the geometrical figure will come under that. This and all come under the punch hole pattern. And the last one is space visualization. And embedded figure. What is this embedded figure? I thought you're in Sainik. Embedded. What is the meaning of that embedded? Can you answer? What is this embedded? Anyone? Let me see who will answer first. No. You don't know? Where girls? Disha? Where are you? Hidden figure. Disha, very good. You will answer. You should answer first. It's not Venn diagram. Yeah. See, embedded figure is nothing but hidden figure. See, in the geometrical figure, there is a small figure will be hidden. What you have to do? You have to find out that. Okay. What is this, Ranjit? Attached to something. What will be attached, man? Okay. See, embedded figure is nothing but they will be given with a diagram. In that, a small figure will be hidden. That you have will play right. Hide and seek. You will hide somewhere. Your friend have to find out you like that. In that small figure, some small geometrical will be hidden. You have to find out this. See, this or the chapter will come under Navodaya. What are they? Odd man out, figure matching, pattern completion, figure series completion, analogy, geometrical figure completion, mirror image, punch hole pattern, piece visualization, embedded figure. Please note down this. I hope you all note down. So it helps to while solving the further problems. Please take down this. Enable your videos, everyone, so that I can see you. Okay. The first part is that is odd man out. What is this odd man? Have you learned in your previous sessions? What is this odd man out? I said you. Any idea? Let me see who will answer first. I don't. Guru Vengan, you don't know anything. Ardik. Waste of your man. Yesterday I thought of getting you ice cream. You answered for 2 things. Today no. Picking out. Heyman, very good. Picking out. See? Yeah, odd one out. Disha, very good. Where are other girls? Where is Bhavish? Enable your videos. Okay, it's okay, Samad. See, let me study what is this odd man out. 4 figures that they will be given with the 4 figures. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, have been given into the question of these 4 figures. Okay, yeah, finding God. Very good, Arush. See, you have to, they will be given with the 4 figures. Okay, you have to take out 3 figures are similar. They will be given with the 4 figures. In that 4 figures, 3 will be having a same similar, that will be having the same like characters, and then some characteristics similarities will be same, and one figure is different. In that, among that 4 figures, the one will be different. So what you have to do, how to solve this? See, what you have to do, you have to take out which does not belong to the group. Keep in mind, kids, which does not belong to the group. Let me see now. See, let me see who will answer. Look at the figures now. They are given with the 4 figures. One is book, the second one is something table, and then chair, and the 4th one is also. Which is the odd one? Can you answer? I'll see who will answer first. Let me see, girls or boys. The first one. Say I want with a reason. Lalit, yeah, it's first. I know. Okay, I know, it's first one. What is the reason for that? It's a paper. All things are furniture and book is not a furniture. Very good, Samat. Is the right answer. See, observe the figure carefully now. The first one, it is book. The second one is also table. And then chair. It is also table. And chair. It's also made up of wooden. And then when come to the 4th one, it is like table, right? It is also Who is this Tushar? All is smaller. Okay. The fourth one, it is also made up of wooden. See, when compared to second one, third one, fourth one, book, it is made up of paper. So what you have to do? You have to take out. That is called as odd man out. This is how you have to solve the further problems in this chapter. My dear kids, this is a syllabus discussion class. Once we start with the class, we will describe it. Okay. What is that, Samarth? Shall I move on? It's boring. Is it boring? Okay, we will move on. Okay. Okay, answer is first one. Why? You know the reason. Second one, third one, fourth one. All are made up of wooden. But the first one is different. It is made up of paper. So what you have to do? You have to take the odd man out. This is how you have to solve the problem based on this chapter. And then we'll move on to the second chapter now. Okay. What is this figure matching? What is this figure matching? See, have you learned this match the following, right? In schools. Yes or no? Please be interactive. Or you all sleepy? Okay. The second chapter is figure matching. A problem in this given in the left side. Okay. In the first chapter, what will be given? They will be given with the 4 figures. In the tree have the similar characters or a feature. You should have to take the first one, right? But when compared to the second chapter is different. See the question over there. See the question there. A problem. Only one problem is given in the left side, right? And 4 alternative. What is this alternative? I said on yesterday class, right? Do you remember? See, alternative is nothing but the 4 options. See, and look at the answer figure there. They had given 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That and all called as alternatives. See how to solve in this chapter. Let me see now. A problem figure is given in the left side. See, it is given in the left side and 4 alternatives. 4 figures 1, 2, 3, 4 marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 are given in the right side. Select the figure which is exactly same as the problem figure. See, look at the problem figure carefully now. Let me see. What you have to do? You have to find same picture on the right side. Let me see who will answer first. So what you have to do? You have to look at the figure carefully before solving. Can you? See, I have given the answer. Third one. Can you? Okay. See, you look at the figure 1, here it is different. It's can't see properly. Once we start with the class, we'll go for it. Okay. The third one is correct answer. Why? Because it's similar to the answer figure. This is how we have to solve the problem based on figure matching. Are you all getting? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, we will move on. The third chapter is pattern completion. What is this pattern completion? I hope you are note downing the chapter's name. Oh, see, what is this pattern completion? Okay, let me see now. There is a problem figure in the left hand side. Okay, look at that picture. There's a problem in the left hand side, a part of which is missing. See here, look here. A part is missing, right? In the given figure, the part is missing. So what you have to do now? You have to find out the correct option among this, which fits into this figure. Okay, you should make the complete figure. Like, I think you have solved this puzzle, right? Puzzle, you have to put the perfect one to see the picture, right? Like that, you should solve this chapter. See, observe the figures. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right side. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe these figures and find out the answer without changing the direction. So you should not turn your books and all. You should not change the direction. You should not change the direction. You should take among them itself. See, look at which is the answer. Without changing the direction, fits the missing part. See here, some part is missing, right? You have to choose among the 4 pictures and you have to fix it. Fits the missing part of the problem figure in the order to complete the problem figure. This is how the question will be arranged in the pattern completion. See, there will be given with the left hand side, they will be given with the 1 figure. In the right hand side, they will be given with the 4 alternatives. In the first figure, some part will be missing. You have to choose the correct answer among those and you have to fill it. This is how you have to solve the 3rd chapter, that is pattern completion. Okay, we'll move on to the 4th chapter, that is figure series completion. What is this figure series completion? Let me see now. See here, there is a 3 problem figures on the left hand side. Okay, look at them. 3 figures and then 1 question mark. Okay, and the space of the 4th figure is blank. 2, 3 figures are given and the 4th one space is blank. What you have to do? You have to find out the correct answer from the right hand side among the 4 options. Look at the options there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you guess which is the correct answer? This is a relation. Can you? Okay. Find out the figure among the figures in the given right side. See, you have to find out this relation among given with this figures, which occupies the blank space. Okay. On the 4th figure in the left hand side and complete the series. It is a sequential. It is a line series. You have to pick out the answer from this and you have to do it. See, it is on the right. Which is the answer for this? Can you guess? See, the answer. The first one is, can you say what is the reason for this? The 3rd one is the answer. See, look at the figures now. See, look at the figure 2 and come to the option 3 now. It is on the, which side it is, right or left? It is on the left side. When coming to this, it is on the right side. You have to analyze this. Okay, this is how you have to solve the problem based on figure series completion. Okay, we'll come to the chapter 5, that is analogy. I said, what is this analogy? I said in the previous session itself, you have played one game also, right? Okay. What is this analogy means? You have to find out the relationship. Okay, they will be given with a 2 relation. You have to find out the further. Okay, let me see now how the question will be arising in this. There are 2 sets of problem figures. Okay, they will be given with 2 sets of problem figures. The second set is marked as an interrogation. What is that interrogation? Yesterday I taught in English. Do you remember? Interrogative. Yeah, the question mark symbol is called as interrogation. There exists a relationship between first 2 figures. Let me see now. See here. There is a relationship between the first 2 figures. You have to find out for the 3rd one. Okay, this is how you have to solve the chapter 5, that is analogy. The same you have solved the wording problems in Cynic Intelligent Test. Do you remember that they will be given with 2 like 25, 35, 9. They are given, they are multiples of 7. I think you people remember. Like that, here it's only on based on figures. Okay, you have to find out which is the correct options there and you should take it out. This is how you have to solve the part 5, that is analogy. Look here, the first 2 problems we go. Similar relations should exist on the 3rd and 4th. The first 2 relations should be same and then the 3rd one, 4th one relation should be also same. See, look at the figures. Here they are given with 2 figures and then 1 question mark over here. There is a 4 option also. You should take down which is the answer and you should replace it and you should give the reason also. See, once we start with the class, we shall discuss which is the answer. Okay. Next, the part 6 is triangle, square and circle. What is this? You know, triangle, circle, square. So let me see now. one part of square in the left hand side. Look at the figures now, left hand side. It is a one part of square. It's a square only one part. Okay, it's a part of one square. And other among this, 1, 2, 3, 4 options. In all, they'll be given with the 4 options. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is given on the right hand side. Find out the figures that completes the square. See, I think you have played the puzzle that see you have to pick out which is the correct option and you should fit for it so that it will become a geometrical figures. See, this and all called as geometrical figures. If you fit that among choosing this 4 option, it will be your completing one figure. Which is the answer? The answer, figure 4 is the answer. You have to fit the figure 4 into the question so that it will be a completing square. It will be one geometrical shape. Okay, this is how the problems are will be coming in this chapter. That is part 6, triangle, square, and then circle. Okay, we'll move on. Since this is syllabus discussion class, we'll move fastly. Once we start with our syllabus, we will discuss each and everything. Okay. As I said, mirror images. You all are familiar with your mirror surface, right? Okay. There is a problem figure on the left hand side. See here, there is a problem figure on the left hand side, and then your answer figures marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 or given in the right hand side. For everything, every chapter it is the same. Okay, the question will be on the right side except the first chapter, that is odd man out. What you have to do, you have to pick out because the 4 figures will be given, 3 will be same, you have to pick out. But rest all chapter will be containing figures on the left side and then options on the right side. Okay, select the figure which is exactly mirror image. See, they had given some diagram, right? You have to find out the mirror image of that. Can you see now? For this is an answer. Look at the figure, the mirror image. See, all mirror images, it will look opposite to that. Keep in mind, if you take the selfie also, it looks opposite side. After this class, go and try. Let me see and send your selfies also. Let me see who will look beautiful. And then, see, this is how you have to answer for this chapter. This is how the question will be arising in this chapter. That is part 7, mirror image. Okay, we will move on to the next chapter, that is punch hole pattern, folding and unfolding. What is this folding and unfolding? See, up to this you have solved, you have seen that only based on figures and diagrams. This is also based on figures and diagrams only, but you have to do this by folding the papers. See, in the class or in the while practicing the home, you can use the papers for this. But in the examination, you can't. Okay, you have to think in your mind itself and you have to do it. It's a bit difficult chapter. I'll help you throughout. See now, let me see. A piece of paper is folded and punched. Okay, as shown in the problem figures on the left hand side. See the darkened circle, the dotted circle, that is how you have to fold the paper. Okay, take a square of a square sheet and you have to fold it. The dotted circle is there, no? That and all you have to fold it. Okay, select the figure which indicates how the paper will appear. In the right hand side, they are given with 4 figures. After folding it this paper like this, you will get a figure. You have to match it here. While doing in the class, you can use the paper, that square paper, craft paper. Okay. While practicing the home also, you can. But in the exam, keep in mind, you should not use the paper. Calculate in mind only, you should do it. This is how the question will be arising in the punch hole pattern. So this is how the question will be arising. They will not give only this question. They will be giving the different question just to show you example how the question will be arising. Okay, the next chapter is space visualization. What is the space visualization? How the question will be arising? Let me study now. See, a problem figure is given in the left hand side. Okay, see, in all the chapter, the question will be given in the left hand side. See here, and then marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 on the right hand side. The answers. Select the answer figure which can be formed. Cut off pieces given in the problem. See, they had given the problem in the left hand side and then answers in the four answers in the right side, right? You have to join all those figures which are given in the first, right? You have to join all those figures, and then you will form a one diagram. You have to find out which diagram is done with it within the four option. This is how you have to solve the question based on space visualization. And then the last chapter is embedded figure. What is this embedded figure? As I said, embedded figure means hidden figure. You have somewhere they will be given with a, I'll show you example. See now. See how they had given the problem same as it is. Every chapter contains left side the question and four alternative except the first chapter. I said, right? Okay, look at the figure here also. It has given with a one figure, that is a question figure, and then four alternatives. Select the figures. Problem in the hidden figure. What is this hidden? I said no. You have played hide and seek in your house or with your friends. She will be hiding somewhere. You have to find out that, like that. In the problem, this is a problem figure. In this answer figure, this question will be hidden among those options. Okay, what you have to do? You have to find out which is the hidden figure. This is a hidden figure. You have to find out which is the figure here, in which option the figure is exists. You have to find out and answer this. This is how you have to solve the problem based on embedded figures. See students, these are the 10 chapters you will be having for your Navodaya, that is mental ability. In this mental ability, you will be having the 10 chapters. Okay. Enable your videos, please. I request all the students to enable your videos. Let me take attendance. I request all the parents and students to enable your videos. Please, parents, help them. Okay. Where is Vishnu? Can I know which school you are from? Vishnu? Are you there, Vishnu? Vishnu? Are you here? And then Chetas. Next. Guru Vandan. Vishnu. Hingeri Vidyalaya. Very good. You are from KR Puram. Yeah. Next. Chetas. See, instead of giving the parents' name, I request all the parents to give your students' name so that we can call the attendance easily. Next, Govinda Gowda. Who is this? Or your parent or a student? Can I know which school, which area? Please, it's time up. What is the Sishya BMS school? Arush. Okay, it's done. Girish, are you there? Girish, are you hear me? Next, Renuka, are you there? Are you here? Okay. With this, I'll end up my session. We'll meet you all tomorrow. Who is this? Okay, Zaru. Vidyapeetham High School. Very good. I know Samarth and all. I want only Chetas, Renuka, and then Girish. Please. Yeah. Bye. Let me see you tomorrow. Can you hear me? Okay, with this, I'll end my session. Tomorrow we'll meet you with the English syllabus discussion of Navodaya. See students, since this is a syllabus discussion class, I'll go fast. Okay. Once we start with the syllabus, we'll discuss through detail. Okay.
ಯಾರೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
See, I have given one number for you. Overall, not given the details. That's your school name and area name. See, your Girish, and then Renuka, Chetas, and then that's all. Overall, not given your names. I had posted there one number. I request all the parents to give your information to that number. Okay. We'll meet you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.